scenes, stores lit up in red and green. Down the road, just out of town, there's more magic to be found. The countryside is all aglow with holly trees and mistletoe.
So this is Dickens. So what I did here, same thing I did. I painted it, did it. I decided I wanted, a couple houses. I'm gonna put the mill here so I can show you a little water feature that's gonna go into here. I just painted with a little, like tan paint, and then in here, this is, I just painted, and normally, if I had more time, I would add more and more to make this a little thicker and shinier, and it can be really thick. So it's called, this is what I use, it's called triple thick, and so you keep putting it on until you get more and more and more layers. So all I did is hollowed this out, and I took a sanding sponge and I sanded it real good. Then we painted it, and then we put the triple thick on. And then, so probably though, it doesn't have a lot of life to it, so what I might want to do is just do a little dry brush. So I'm just going across. You know how like you look at a lake and just a little bit of white just adds just a little bit. And now even if I wanted to, I could add more triple thick to even to go over that to make it. So I need to make a waterfall of some sort. So last night, the waterfall that I made out there, I did with saran wrap, and then I ran hot glue down it. But even simpler, I looked for something. I've used road. This is just a piece of cardboard that I used. And I'll show you a little technique that you do. Probably put it on something so you can see a little bit. So I just take different colors of paint. So I'll just do those just little drops. I use a couple different colors. This is just acrylic paint, the cheapy stuff at the craft store. I want to use this. You never want to use spray paint on styrofoam unless it's a water base or like a latex. I'll use a little white paint. So, see, just dots. That's pretty much all it is. And then you're just going to take your brush and just go over it like this. It still has that. See how it's just streaky? So that's all it is, but it looks pretty watery. So I already have one that I did. I just put that under here. I'll cut it to make it a little bit smaller. And then it's just going to go down and fit under there. See that? So then I'm just going to cut about where I'm hot glue it. Even that doesn't look that bad, does it? Okay, so hopefully it'll stay. So then, next one I'm going to do is just take hot glue, low melt. Gotta always use low melt. And then you're just going to put that and just keep doing it. It'll take a couple minutes to kind of keep going down. So while that's I'll put a couple houses over here.
In them woods there lives a bear, known to all as Thistlehair.
That way it keeps it steady. Okay. Come back and do this again. Just takes a while. I want to do the full effect on it.
Old Thistlehair, the Christmas bear, spreading the good.
Probably need about, I don't know, 5 glue sticks. If you really wanted to.
Have you ever tried putting glitter on it while it's still running down?
That's what I do, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But you can't, you have to do it kind of at the end.
Oh, okay.
Because once the glitter's on
Yeah,
it won't stick to it.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah.
It'll keep it from sticking to the next layer.
Exactly.
I see. Okay.
So I just have to let it go down just a little bit more, and then I'll put some
Alright.
glitter on
I'm glad I asked that question.
it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, really.
Because I was thinking, glitter, when's the glitter coming?
Everywhere about Christmas time, what it means, all the children of the world, every little boy and girl out there, they love Thistlehair. He comes around this time each year, spreading lots of Christmas cheer. The kids all love his shiny coat, the smell of honey on his nose. He tells them all about.
So. Go like that, and then so that it looks, you know, this kind of looks wet because it has the glitter on it, but the stuff up the top doesn't. So then what I do is just paint a little bit of triple thick on it. Here. It'll just stay wet looking. And then I add just a little glitter up here too. I think enough glitter. So that's that. Finish a little bit. Okay, and then for the river, I like to add, I showed this last night a little bit, you know, just get rocks from outside, a little moss. Just add some of this and just hot gluing them on.
The star and everything that it stands for, the birthday we all celebrate.
Oh, and this is what I was saying yesterday, like, so if you want to take one of the trees and you just cut off some of the branches, and I know that's
Sacrilege, look
It
away.
is.
Look away.
Isn't that pretty? But around it looks really pretty around the water.
Okay. I remember you mentioned that last night.
Yeah. See how pretty that looks?
Our favorite holiday. Oh, Thistlehair, the Christmas bear.
There. So, anyways.
Wow.
Spreading the good news everywhere about Christmas time, what it means, all the children of the world, every hair.